Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video. I had a client who asked us how to submit a support ticket on Facebook because of an issue that they're having. It's not the easiest process to do, so I thought it would be helpful to create a quick video just to show everyone how to do it. So what you want to do, and you can navigate to this page kind of through a process on actual Facebook. But if you want to just a little bit more of a direct way to get there, facebook.com/business/help. So what you want to do is this will be the Meta Business Help Center. And basically you're going to come in here, scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to find this little thing that says still need help, find answers, or contact support. So this is for business pages, things of that nature, not so much for the personal side, but definitely if you have a business page that you're having an issue with, facebook.com/backslash business/help, and then come down here where it says get started. And this is where it make it a little tricky as well, but it says need help with advertising. If you look down here, there's really no other place that I've identified that actually has a contact support. The only one that has it here is need help with advertising. So we want to click that one. Did just did this on trial and error, but this is actually a process that will get you there for issues outside of just advertising as well. So you'll see this page. How can we help you? And you'll want to find the asset that's in question. So basically, as I tell everyone, you need to be the manager, the owner, or have access in some capacity to the actual page that you're looking to submit the support ticket on. So you can do this by ad account, Facebook page, business manager. So if you have a page that you're looking to get, you can do it by Facebook page. If you have an ad account that you're looking to get some help or support with, you can do it by the ad account. Same with the business manager, Instagram account, et cetera, et cetera. I'm going to come down here and just pick ours just as an example. And then the next step that you're going to do is to actually select the issue that you're having. So depending on what the issue is, you want to make sure that you're picking the most appropriate one, just to make sure that you're getting to the right contact team and making sure that they have the information that they need exactly when you are able to actually talk to them. So you can say really anything here, other page issue, and it will come to this page. So depending on what actual issue you select, this page will be a little bit different. But in general, they are looking for information to help you or help them investigate any screenshot or supporting documentation that you want to put in there, your contact information. And then down here, once this is all completed, basically you can come over here and start the chat process. So this will tell you right here, please fill out the form before submitting. So just make sure that you fill this out completely, and you want to make sure that you give as much detail as possible. Obviously, when you're talking to them, you can provide more, but the more data and the more files and everything that support your case are definitely helpful for them, so they can kind of review that stuff before you even get the conversation started. So that's the process, and then from here you would just hit the start chat button, and have the support chat with them. Hopefully they can help you out. Okay, thank you very much. Again, this was just a quick video to tell people how, with a business account or an advertising account, how to actually submit a support ticket, and not just submit a support ticket, but actually have a conversation with someone, which is the most direct and helpful way to actually get your issue resolved. So this is Dan Sorrell from Macaw Digital Marketing. And stay tuned and make sure you follow us for other helpful videos sporadically as we release them.